Hi babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This look was highly requested and a whole bunch of you guys loved it on my Instagram. So I'm going to show you guys how I created it. So first I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the Frankie Rose Cosmetics concealer and going in with the yellow shade from the Glitter Realm Summerita palette. Next, taking the orange shade and then blending that in with the yellow. And then taking the red shade, and guys, look at this pigment, and if you purchase the Glitter Realm Summerita palette, don't forget to use code BELLA at checkout. Going back in with that concealer, I will be cutting out my crease. Also be putting concealer on the upper half of the shadows for a more clean cut look. I will be going in with the lighter green shade on the outer corner and then taking the darker green shade and blending those two together for a gradient effect. Then I will be repeating the same process with the lighter blue shadow and then the darker blue shadow. And then of course adding the purple, then blending all of the shadows together. And then again taking the Frankie Rose concealer and cutting out a winged liner. Repeating the same process we did earlier with the red, orange, and yellow shadows, and then blending all those together on the wing liner. And then there's me looking all cute or whatever. My camera wasn't focusing, but you know, your girl still looks poppin'. It still looks good. Yes. And then going in with the white shade in the palette and then applying that to my inner corner and my brow bone. Of course, we can't forget the satisfying part, taking off that tape. My lower lash line, I'll be going in with the green shade in the palette and then mixing that with the blue and then taking the purple shade on my waterline. Next, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Curly Bible palette and then taking the white shade in the palette to highlight my inner corner, my cheekbones, my nose, and my brow bone. I'll be using the Frankie Rose mascara, and then for lashes, I'll be using the Beauty Savage Cosmetics lashes in the style Emily. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can get notified every time I post. Bye, Diamond Babes. Love you.